Hi, welcome to my channel all about IELTS. In this video, let's have a look at the skills to be developed in listening task of IELTS. Listen to BBC Online Radio and several podcasts available to you online, which makes you familiar with multiple accents and pace of the speaker. Attempt at least one listening task daily until you take your IELTS exam so that you get exposed to multiple accents, topics, speeds and types of the questionnaire. Learn to give a hyphen in between the words if the answer doesn't fit within the word limit. For example, the answer to a given question is long distance calling, but the word limit is no more than 2 words. Then write your answer as long-distance calling. If your answer is in terms of currency, learn to write the symbol of currency as prefix to the number. For example, if $10 is the answer, then don't write it as 10 followed with the dollar symbol. This can be written as TEN space DOLLARS in the word format. If the currency has decimal as 9.50, then it can be written as $9.50, but don't write it as $9.50. If the symbols of pounds, euros, or any other currency is not known, then complete word can be written as your answer. For example, 10 euros or 10 pounds. Measurements can be expressed in all the 4 formats such as 4 kilometers or 4 space km or 4 space kms or 4 kilometers. Dates can be written in variety of formats such as February 6th or 6th February or 06/02 or 02/06. But make sure ordinals like ST, TH or RD are written correctly. If you write ordinal wrongly such as 6ST or 3 followed with TH, then it will be marked as incorrect answer. Time has to be written in the same way spoken by the speaker in the audio file. If the speaker says 7:45 p.m., then it has to be written as 7:45 p.m. Remember the word limit again, or 7:45 in numerical format followed with the words PM, but do not write it as 7:45. Credit card and telephone numbers are to be written in the numerical format and not as word format. For example, 002-003-5678. Please remember sometimes 0 is also called as letter O, so make sure to write 0. For example, the same number can be called as 002-334-5678. Do not write it as 334 or 002. Please mention it only in the numerical format. Make sure to write percentage, fractions and large numbers in normal format such as 55% or 1/2 or half or 1 lakh both in numerical or word format. Remember, $40 million is the correct word and not $40 millions. Practice to answer the questions as per the word limit. Exclude the articles whenever necessary. If the answer is the traditions of India but the word limit is not more than 3 words, then go ahead and exclude the article the in your answer and write only traditions of India in the answer sheet. Good luck for your IELTS exam.